Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Advanced Micro Devices. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 17th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 10th of April 2025, our system has classified Advanced Micro Devices as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.37. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has shown a loss of -1.42%. This equates to an average decline of -0.24% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently rests in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further declines within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 20.87% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -32.15% to -3.21%. When we examine the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected decline of around 33.65%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -42.12% to +3.6% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $50.61 and $90.59. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline: Advanced Micro Devices stock price ended at $87.44 on Thursday after losing 0.96%. The Advanced Micro Devices stock price fell by 0.96% on the last day, which was Thursday, the 17th of April, 2025, dropping from $88.29 to $87.44. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.91%, with a day low of $86.52 and a day high of $89.03. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in a decline of 6.78% over this period. Trading volume decreased on the last day, alongside the stock, which is actually a positive sign, as volume should align with stock movement. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 27 million shares, with a total of 35 million shares bought and sold for approximately $3 billion and $30 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $187.28, while the lowest price was $76.48. Currently, the price is 53.31% or $99.84 below the 52-week high, and 61.53% or $139.86 below the all-time high, which occurred on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price reached $227.30. Recent developments surrounding Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, indicate a complex market environment with significant implications for its stock. As of April 17, 2025, AMD stands out as a potential value pick amidst a broader market sell-off, drawing comparisons to its strong performance in 2022. The stock currently trades at its lowest valuation since that year, with a forward price-to-earnings ratio of 19 times, suggesting a possible rebound could be on the horizon if investor sentiment shifts favorably. However, recent U.S. trade restrictions impacting semiconductor exports, specifically mentioning a substantial $800 million charge, are pressuring AMD's stock and could dampen its immediate recovery prospects. The situation is further complicated by a prevailing concern that the semiconductor industry is overly dependent on artificial intelligence developments, which are currently facing challenges from new regulations. In the short term, AMD shares have already declined significantly, and continued pressure from tariffs could exacerbate this trend, risking capital offloading by investors. Conversely, If AMD manages to navigate these challenges effectively, a rebound could follow, with analysts suggesting that the worst might already be priced in. In the long term, AMD's position in the AI market remains robust, and if economic conditions stabilize, it may harness growth opportunities that could drive stock value upward. Investors should monitor AMD's performance closely, particularly as it responds to evolving geopolitical tensions and market dynamics that could influence its recovery trajectory. The balance of immediate risks and long-term growth potential will be crucial in determining how AMD's stock performs in the coming months. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 16th of April, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned AMD a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 27th of March, 2025, it was reported that Jefferies assigned AMD a hold grade with a downgrade action. On Tuesday, the 11th of March, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned AMD a neutral grade with a hold action. The 19th of February, 2025, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned AMD an overweight grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, it was also reported that Citigroup assigned AMD a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Advanced Micro Devices stock. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts also give the stock a rating of neutral. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and so far, it has risen by 11.8%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence short-term developments. The Advanced Micro Devices stock currently shows sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance from the levels at $92.07 and $98.97. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume declined alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal, pivots, buy signal recorded 8 days ago, Bollinger Bands, buy signal noted 11 days ago, short-term moving average, sell signal, observed 3 days ago, long-term moving average, sell signal, indicated 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal, identified 12 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal, recorded 16 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal, noted 117 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal, observed 111 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. Advanced Micro Devices finds support from accumulated volume at $85.76. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock tends to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and the substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band categorizes it as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $2.52 between its high and low, which is a change of 2.91%. In the last week, the stock's daily average volatility has been 4.04%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This crucial measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio might indicate that the stock is overvalued, or it may suggest that investors are anticipating significant growth in the future. In other news, The next earnings report for the first quarter of the year, 2025, is expected on the 6th of May, 2025. Analysts have a consensus estimate of 93 cents. It is important to keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for advanced micro devices. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for advanced micro devices stands at $88.29. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this level could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, advanced micro devices encounters its first support level at $85.76. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The overall average rating for advanced micro devices, according to various analyst sources, is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of March, 2025, Papermaster Mark D executed an insider purchase of 17,500 shares of common stock. On the same day, Papermaster Mark D also carried out an insider sale of 15,708 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 14th of March, 2025, Papermaster Mark D sold 1,792 shares of common stock. On that day, Papermaster Mark D further sold 17,500 shares of stock option grant. On the 12th of March, 2025, Vanderslice Elizabeth W. conducted an insider sale of 12,000 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 15.063. In total, insiders purchased 978,454 shares and sold 1,382,875 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there has been no stop loss set. Is Advanced Micro Devices stock a good buy? Advanced Micro Devices presents several concerning indicators and is currently situated within a broad and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks, leading us to a negative assessment of this stock. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 21st of April, we expect Advanced Micro Devices to open higher by approximately 222 ten-thousandths of a dollar, starting at $87.66. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.